In this video, I'll show you how to submit a Möbius lesson. So, in general, Möbius lessons aren't configured to be submitted for grading. So just working through the lesson content classifies it, for lack of better words, to be complete. Now, usually, reviewing the lesson content and clicking quit and save after reviewing all the pages completes a lesson, but your instructor can define specific lesson properties that determine what's required for us to be considered complete. So for example, they might say that you have to see every single page for it to be considered complete, or you have to answer every single question on every page for it to be considered complete. It's different depending on which lesson you're looking at. Now, be sure to check out the Navigate a Lesson help topic and video guide for more details about that. Now, if your lesson is to be submitted for grading, you'll basically just work through it. You'll answer the questions. When you get to the very end, for lack of better words, or whenever you want really, you can click on the Submit Lesson button here. Now when you do so, you'll basically submit it for grading and you're done. Now what you see afterwards though is determined by what the teacher has set for the lesson property. So whether you review your grade or not is all up to what the teacher has set. But for lack of better words, that is how you submit a Möbius lesson.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.